Part 15. We are going to continue with kinematics. You will find this on page 157 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Let's look at example 19. Katie cycles 3 kilometers in 20 minutes, followed by 5 kilometers in 30 minutes. Find her average speed in kilometers per minute or kilometers per hour. Okay, remember, average speed will be total distance divided by total time. So, find her total distance. That will be 3 plus 5 kilometers, and that will give me 8 kilometers. Her total time is 20 minutes plus 30 minutes, and that will give me 50 minutes. Now, remember your table. Hours, minutes, seconds. 60, 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. If I go to this side, I multiply, and if I come back, I divide. Okay, so the first one, it's kilometers per minute, so that's not a problem. We can just go and say total distance is 8, total minutes is 50, and that will give me 0.16 kilometers per minute. Okay. But if I want kilometers per hour, I must take the minutes to hours, and I will divide by 60. So 50 divided by 60, that will give me hours. If you write it out like this, you must keep all the decimal places. Otherwise, you must write it like this. You can say 8. I'm just going to put it here. You can also say 8 and say 50 divide 60. And that's hours, and that's kilometers. And then you just press on your calculator. 8 divide bracket, 50 divide 60, close the bracket, equals, and you will also get 9.6 kilometers per hour. She will travel 60 times further in 1 hour than in 1 minute. Okay, I want you to do try now 19, number 1A and B, as well as number 2. You can stop the video, and as soon as you have finished, you can continue with the video. Oh, I just want to keep that table for us. Okay, let's start. Try now 19. And I'm going to start with number 1. Andrew walks 3 kilometers in 30 minutes and then 2 kilometers in 25 minutes. What is his average speed? So let's find first his total distance. And that will be the 3 kilometers plus the 2 kilometers. And that will be 5 kilometers. Okay. Now we're going to find his total time. And that's going to be the 30 minutes plus the 25 minutes, and that will be 55 minutes. Okay, and now if I want the speed, it's number A, and I want it in kilometers per minute, I can basically just take the distance. Can you still remember? Let me just show you. Your DSTV. So if I want speed, it's distance divided by time. So divide by time. So the distance is 5. The time is 55. This is kilometers. This is minutes. And that's why my answer will be, let's just write it down, it's 0.09 kilometers per minute. And that's my final answer. But if I want in number B, I want exactly the same. I want speed. It's still distance divided by time, or time short, it doesn't matter, small letter. But now I must take the minutes to hours. So if I want to take that minutes to hours, I must say 55 divide by 60. And that will give me hours. So the distance stays the same, but just say 55 divide 60. And that is still my kilometers, and this is my hours, and my answer will be 5.45 kilometers per hour. And that's my final answer. Okay, let's go to number 2. Let's just make space. Okay, number 2. Jacob drives 70 kilometers on a motorway in 52 minutes. He then takes a side road and drives the next 20 kilometers in 38 minutes. Find his average speed. Okay, so let's first find his total distance. And that will be the 70 kilometers plus the 20 kilometers. And that will be 90 kilometers. Then we're going to find his total time. And that's going to be the 52 minutes plus the 38 minutes. And that's going to be 90 minutes. Okay. And now if I want his average speed, okay, so speed equals distance divided by time. So what is the total distance? 90 kilometers. But they want it in kilometers per hour. So I must take this 90 minutes to hours. How will I do that? I will say from minutes to hours, I'll divide by 60. So I just divide by 60 and then it will be hours. So let's just leave that fraction. So it's 90 over 60 and that's hours. And my final answer will then be 60 kilometers per hour. And that will be my speed.